Hello Smarties, welcome to our revision program 4 a day. Today you have 4 math problems to solve. Get a pen and a paper and now you have 2 options. 1. You can pause the video and do it by yourself. I will attach an answer key at the end of the video and you can check your answers, or you can keep watching the video and do it along with me. Here are your questions. You can pause now and do it by yourself or do it with me. First question, what is double of 13? Double of a number means you have to add the number to itself. So to find double of 13, we will do 13 plus 13. What is 13 plus 13? That's right, 26. You can also do it using the column method. So you can write 13 plus 13, and where do you start adding from? You always start from the one side. So 3 plus 3 is 6 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So double 13 is 26. What is double 48? You need to add 48 plus 48. Next question. A cake is divided into 10 slices. Harry takes 2 slices and Emily takes 3. How many slices are left? So imagine this is your cake which has been cut into 10 slices. Harry takes 2 and Emily takes 3. How many slices are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 slices left. But what if you didn't have a picture? What you need to do is add how many slices they took. So Harry took 2 and Emily took 3. So both of them together they took 5 slices. How many slices were in our cake? 10. And how many did they take? 5. To find the leftover, you will subtract. What is 10 minus 5? Easy, 5. So how many slices were left? 5 slices. Next question. Something plus 80 equals 110. So what should be added to 80 to get 110? Let me show you an easy way. Here you have the addition sign. You need to do the opposite. What is the opposite of addition? Subtraction. So we will subtract the two numbers. We will do 110 minus 80 equals, both these numbers are multiples of 10. So our answer will also end with a 0. Now what is 11 minus 8? 11 minus 8 is 3. You could also do it using the column method. Let's try 110 minus 80. We have 0 minus 0, which is 0. 1 minus 8, you cannot subtract, so you will borrow from the neighbor. This will become 0 and this will become 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. So your answer is 30. Next question. Calculate the perimeter of the rectangle having sides 9 cm and 5 cm. What is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means the distance around the shape. So to find the perimeter, you need to add the length of all the sides. Now in our question, we have that the sides are 9 cm and 5 cm. We know that in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. So this side is equal to this side. So these two are 9 cm. And this side is equal to this side. So these two are 5 cm. Now to find the perimeter, we will add the length of all the sides together. So that is 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5. 9 plus 9 is 18 and 5 plus 5 is 10. What is 18 plus 10? 18 plus 10 is 28, and we will write centimeter because it is the perimeter of the rectangle. Here is your answer key. You can check your answers and let me know in the comment section below if you found today's revision a little tricky. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will learn something new in the next video.